Hello and welcome. This is a demonstration of the PFMEA Process Failure Mode and Effects Analysis Management System developed by AST Support System. Model is designed to enhance process control and minimize human error through automation and smart recommendations. It ensures real-time monitoring, seamless data entry, actionable insights, a clear risk-based approach to failure prevention. Process Failure Mode and Effects Analysis has fascinating roots. Developed by the US military in the 1950s as MILP 1629 to ensure system reliability. NASA adopted it for the Apollo missions, calling it FMECA to guarantee mission success. In 1977, Ford brought FME to the automotive world, revolutionizing car manufacturing. From military precision to driving innovation, PFMEA has come a long way. Let's begin with the dashboard. It provides a real-time and fully customizable view. You can instantly see a summary of top action priority items, PFMEA recommended actions, visual analytics through pie charts for initial and optimized action priorities. This gives you a comprehensive understanding of current risk statuses and areas of concern. This is the PFMEA management page. User can input and manage. Document type, part reference. Company name, plant location. Customer information, product process details. Next comes the operations section, where data is entered into the process item, process step, and process work element. We've added an auto-suggestion feature, similar to Google Autofill. If a process step already exists, you can retrieve and edit it, or create a new entry with unique details. Let's move to each section to get a detailed overview of how the PFMEA data is structured and entered. In the process item section, the user can enter the item name, its function, and any associated failure details. Then, in the process steps section, the user can fill in the process and product characteristics, along with potential failure modes. In the process work elements section, we assign each activity to one of the 4 M categories: man, machine, material, environment, method. User will define the element name, function, potential failures. This structured categorization supports accurate root cause identification. After defining elements, we proceed to risk analysis. Each element's action priority is calculated. If the risk is too high, you can use the optimization process to implement corrective actions, re-evaluate and ensure acceptable risk levels. This can be done for each of the 4 M categories individually. Finally, you can generate the full PFMEA report. This includes all records, action priorities, optimization steps, stakeholder inputs. The report is exportable in standard formats, making it easy to share and audit. In addition to ERP integration, our system offers Smart Data Autofill, Action Priority Visualizations, Optimized versus Initial Risk Tracking, Excel Report Exports, Final Report Compilation, Historical Data Suggestions, Role-Based Access Control, Email Notifications and Alerts, Autosave and Reuse Options, Integration with QMS Standards. These advanced features go far beyond traditional ERP systems, giving you end-to-end control and flexibility. To summarize, our PFMEA management system provides real-time risk monitoring, automated optimization tracking, actionable dashboards and reports, secure, role-based access, integrated email notifications, intelligent data reuse, full PFMEA report generation. Thank you for watching this demonstration. To explore more or to request a live demo, please feel free to get in touch with us.